Alright, go.
Yeah, it's not my shirt. He's out of the runway.
Good point.
Last time it was like I had a couple of people down there. And they're looking at
John,
me,
don't worry. If you drop the camera, I'll try and pick it up before I go over
You
it.
can push me down, and I'm like, but I gotta watch out for the kids. Like, it's okay, it's my kids. I'm like, oh. So I gave them 2 points for hitting their tube, but then 5 points for actually knocking the kid in there. Ready?
Yep. Here we go. Oh. 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 Whoa, shit. Oh, that was fun. Oh. 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 Trip. Oh, Joe! I got snow down my pants. Oh man, I can't wait to look at these videos. Oh. You want to go again?
Yes.
Awesome.
Pictures now.
You're taking pictures?
Yeah, I'm gonna take pictures.
As you're spinning?
No, I didn't do that time. But
Oh, I'm just gonna say, are you?
Yeah.
Oh
I
man.
realized that like as he was starting, like how awesome that would be, and then I couldn't get it like out of my pocket.
I was trying to keep my balance. If I tripped and my camera screwed up, that's $300 down the drain.
That would be kind of cool, yeah.
However, I would still have the videos.
Oh, did you get the card?
Yeah, I have a card. I can't see if I'm getting you or not.
You definitely get it. And I definitely.
Oh! I almost punked. I almost did. You're gonna have to talk louder.
Almost only counts in horseshoes.
What?
Nothing.
Oh. But yeah, don't talk that loud, but you have to talk loud enough for the camera to hear you. I'm not sure if it's like...
What if I don't care if the camera hears me?
Then you just broke the camera's heart.
Sorry, camera. I'm breaking up with you.
But yeah.
Why does every little kid I see look like Gay Chavez?
Wait, why does every single kid you see look like a Gay Chavez?
No, every little kid I see looks like Gay Chavez.
Oh. I don't know. Maybe that's telling us about something about your head and who you like.
My head doesn't look like Gay Chavez.
Good point. I'm gonna try and running up this hill. Woo. Go on, Joe, power it, power. We're almost to the top. That was fun.